Imagine biting into a crispy golden brown snack that's light and flavorful using puffed rice or murmura and a blend of aromatic spices. We will make a delightful treat for your snacking needs. Welcome to Anna Roshmita and we are making Murmura Tikki. To make this unique snacks, start by taking some puffed rice in a strainer over a bowl. Pour some water over it to thoroughly wash it. Then rub them together to remove any impurities that might remain. Once done, squeeze out any excess water and transfer it to a bowl. Then to this add some chopped onions, chopped chilies for the heat, ginger paste, garlic paste. Then for the spices add some coriander powder, cumin powder and a bit of turmeric powder. Add some sugar to balance the flavors, some toasted sesame seeds, yogurt for the creaminess and crushed peanuts which will give that bite to the tikkis. Then for the binding add some rice flour and besan. Add some chopped coriander leaves to give some freshness of flavor and salt to taste. Alright, so after adding this long list of ingredients, mix and combine them. Add a bit more yogurt if you feel the mixture is too dry. The mixture should have thick paste consistency like this. Next, we will shape them into tikkis. For this, wash your hands and grease your palms with some refined oil. Then take a small portion of the mixture and shape it into a ball. Slightly flatten them like this to give it the classic tikki shape. Place them on a separate plate. We made 12 tikkis with the amount of ingredients we had taken. For frying, heat some refined oil in a kadhai and gently slide the tikkis into the hot oil. Deep fry the tikkis over high to medium heat until they are golden brown and delicious. Once they are perfectly cooked like this, remove and drain the excess oil in the kadhai and place them on paper towels. And just like that, your Murmura Tikki is ready to be served. These tikkis are best enjoyed hot with a side of green chutney or ketchup. They are perfect for tea time snacks or even as appetizers for your next gathering. If you love this recipe, please give this video a like and until next time, happy cooking!